Alright guys, welcome back to the RC Guru YouTube channel. Today, once again, we got our new kit out, the Optic. No updates yet. That's okay. I think it's just fine the way it is. GT5 fly-sky controller. Nothing special there. I did notice a little bit of seepage from these hard anodized shocks though. But I rebled them, so it might have been residual. I green slimed them, put the team associated green slime on the inside, and pre-lubed everything. I did everything I could for these shocks. And like the joke is, they're emulsion type, so they're my favorite type of shock. Anyway, they're like I said, the only thing that's got me is this upper link on the back is bent. Immediately. See the whoop in it? Alright, enough complaining, let's have fun. Everything else is great about this truck. I got the glass. What are we gonna call this? The glass tower to pass? I don't know. Anyway, let's get over to it first. You can actually see through it now, unlike the other day. Look at that. That's a little better. See what's going on underneath the RC. And we'll be able to test out if brass makes a difference, if anything else makes a difference, and you can see it from the underside. So you see it's not pulling on the fresh glass, right? Because there's no dirt to grab on. It's a pretty slick surface. Might have to warm the tires up. No, look at that. That's the drag brake on the Tekin. That's the H10 axle. Let's see if we can creep up this thing slow. Wow. Underneath that Optic. And crest the bump. It's doing really good actually, guys. It's gonna go right up. That's the servo horn they give you in the kit. That's my servo. Look at her, look at her, going back down. This thing's gonna crawl right to the top. We might have to set the angle a little different. Nice slow crawl. 3D printed inserts. Good compounds. What's pulling this truck up for those tires? I'll put my phone on it and find out an angle at some point. We'll probably set it to 47 degrees. That's the drag brake that you get on setting 1 on your hot wire Tekin. There's a Rock 412 motor. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Just another backyard fun experiment. So, make sure you put your notifications on too. I've been noticing some of you guys and girls haven't been getting your notifications. So make sure your bell's clicked on. It's important that everybody gets to watch. Everybody's welcome. Hobby on, guys. Thanks for watching.